and refresh the page. So, come on. Do you see that? The transaction appeared on my screen. Now I'm checking the details.
This video is not financial advice, it's just my personal experience, and you don't have to repeat it.
Hey everyone, my name's Arthur, and I've been into trading in crypto since I was 19. And over the years, I've tested a lot of different directions and tools in crypto, and I make my videos to show my personal experience and share my observations. I'd been looking into crypto mining for a long time, but I didn't want to buy expensive equipment. I watched dozens of videos, went deep into the topic, and found a cloud mining format that I decided to test in practice. The interface looks pretty simple, and now guys, I'll show you how it looks on my screen. I go to this bot. The link is blurred for now. I leave the source in my Telegram channel as additional material. So here, I press done, then I tap here. Next, I choose Bitcoin. And here, I need to paste my Bitcoin wallet address. So my logic is simple here. I didn't choose altcoins or hype coins because I specifically wanted to test the Bitcoin option. So I'm going to paste it. Perfect. I choose the amount of the coin I'm going to mine. As you can see, the mining process has started. The interface shows the launch. Now we just need to wait a bit. Now the next stage appears. This is the final step, guys, and the platform requests a network transaction to continue the process. So I go back to the wallet, tap this button at the bottom, paste the copied address, now the amount, right here and here. Perfect. Now we wait for the system to respond. I'm gonna wait. A notification should come in. Yeah, it's there. And refresh the page. So, come on. Do you see that? The transaction appeared on my screen. Now I'm checking the details. So subscribe, and if anyone has already tested similar formats, drop a comment, guys. Bye, everyone.